In today's video, we're diving into the HiRoad app, a unique tool designed to help you become a safer driver while offering rewards for good driving behavior. The app tracks how you drive, providing real-time feedback on your habits behind the wheel, from speed to smoothness. It's like having a personal driving coach with you every time you hit the road. First, let's look at the app's interface. When you open HiRoad, you're greeted by a clean, user-friendly dashboard where you can quickly see how you're doing. There's a score that reflects your overall driving performance, which is based on factors like braking, acceleration, and cornering. The app also provides specific feedback after each trip, letting you know areas where you did well and where you could improve. What's great is the app is connected to your phone's GPS and sensors, so you don't need any extra devices. It just works automatically in the background. Another standout feature is the reward system. The more safely you drive, the more points you earn. These points can be redeemed for gift cards, discounts, or other rewards. This adds a fun and motivating aspect to improving your driving habits. Now, let's talk about the accuracy of the app. I tested it over several weeks, and I found that it does a pretty good job of capturing my driving style. It's not perfect, but the feedback is helpful, especially when it comes to being more mindful of my braking and speed. Many useful links can be found in the description below. Additionally, the app offers valuable insights into your driving trends over time. If you like seeing progress, you'll appreciate the weekly and monthly reports that break down your performance in detail. Whether you're looking to lower your insurance rates or just want to be a safer driver, HiRoad offers an innovative way to track and improve your driving skills. However, it's not all smooth sailing. There are occasional glitches with the GPS, and sometimes it misses a trip altogether. It's something to keep in mind, though it doesn't happen too often. But overall, if you're someone who's motivated by rewards and wants to improve your driving habits, HiRoad is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more app reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.